grammar.
Standard 5th Competency 451 to 457. Subject English. Topic Grammar. Article, verbs, singular and plural numbers. Skills, speaking, writing and reading.
Grammar, singular, plural, use of this and these, article A, helping verbs is and are.
Singular, when we are showing or describing about only one thing or living thing, it is in the singular form. This is a boy. यहाँ हम एक ही बच्चे की बात कर रहे हैं, इसलिए यह सिंगुलर नंबर में है, ऐसा कहेंगे. इसी प्रकार दिस इज ए बुक, दिस इज ए ट्री, ऐसा भी कहेंगे.
इसी तरह हम दूसरा उदाहरण दे रहे हैं. दिस इज ए कार, दिस इज ए फ्लावर.
उदाहरण के तौर
Plural
पर
number.
these are
When we are
boys.
showing or describing more than one thing or living things, it is the plural form. These are cars, these are birds. यहाँ ये प्लूरल फॉर्म में है. यहाँ दो से अधिक वस्तुओं का उल्लेख हुआ है.
उदाहरण है these are trees.
Use of this. When we are talking or describing about nearer thing or living thing, we will use this. This is a pencil. This is a dog. This is a cat. यहाँ एक कुत्ते और एक ही बिल्ली की बात की गई है. This is a girl. This is a bird. यहाँ भी एक ही लड़की की और एक ही पक्षी की बात की गई है. Use of these. When we are talking plural form in the sentence, we will use these. उदाहरण के तौर पर these are dogs. These are rats. These are stars. ये करीब की वस्तुओं के लिए इस्तेमाल हुआ है.
कुछ उदाहरण है these are cows, these are monkeys.
Use of article A. When we are showing or describing only one thing or living thing, at that time we will use article A. This is a girl. This is a car. This is a flower. यहाँ तीनों वाक्यों में ए का इस्तेमाल हम देख सकते हैं.
उसके और उदाहरण है this is a bird, this is a boy.
Use of verb is. When we are talking about singular form, we will use verb is in the sentence. This is a boy. This is a car. This is a flower. यहाँ is helping verb के तौर पर इस्तेमाल हम देख सकते हैं. Use of are. When we are showing or describing more than one thing or living things, we will use verb are in the sentence. उदाहरण के तौर पर these are boys. These are flowers. These are birds.
अन्य उदाहरण, these are cars, these are horses.